Hey guys, Shawn Johnson here. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online in 2018. So stay tuned. All right, so welcome back. Once again, Shawn Johnson here. Now, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so you can get all of my latest and greatest videos. I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online, how to market, and just pretty much how to change up here, how to change your mindset. So go ahead and subscribe to my videos right now by clicking the subscribe button if this is your first time here. So let's dive into the content because this is going to be real short. This is going to be real simple, and I'm really going to break it down so you can understand, like right after this video, you're going to be able to know what it takes to make money online in 2018. So, I get this question a lot, like, Shawn, how do you make money online? Like, what are you doing, or what can I do to start making money online? And I see a lot of people attempt it. When they get online, they try to attempt to make money with different things, but they really don't understand the concept. So what happens? They don't have success. So in this video, I'm going to break it down. I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps that you can start doing today to really start making money online. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this easy peasy content. So the first thing you want to do, right, is step 1 is identify a niche. See, before you even decide that you want to make money, you got to figure out, who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to share this information with? So you have to go out and identify a niche. So let's just use me for instance, right? I talk to people who are looking for ways to make money from home, right? So my niche is probably people who have jobs, people who work on part-time jobs, people who are probably making money on jobs but not that much and need a little extra income, maybe an extra $300 to $500 a week or a day, whatever the case may be. That's my niche. Hardworking people looking for a way to make extra money so they can give back, right? Because I was that person at one time. I was a person, working a job, but guess what? I still didn't have enough money to do what I needed to do at the end of the day, right? The zeros wasn't adding up on my paycheck, so I had to find another way to add more income without going and get another job, taken away from spending time with my family, right? So that's my niche. People who want to make money, not take away from their family, but at the same time want to be able to make enough money where they can get by and do the things they want to do. Maybe they want to send their kids to college. Maybe they want to pay an extra light bill or extra car note, whatever the case may be, right? That's my niche, right? So I don't know what you do. I don't know if you promote anything, but maybe you don't and you're trying to figure out a niche. Just get a piece of paper, right? And write down, who you want to help. Whether it could be people, you want to help people lose weight. Maybe you want to show people how to make money, maybe you want to show people, whatever the case may be. There's so many different niches out here that you can find, that you can start marketing to start making money, right? So that's really step 1, right? You got to identify who you are talking to. So let's dive into step 2. Step 2 is you got to find a problem in that niche. So if you found a niche, right, like me, I found a problem inside of my niche. My niche was people who are working a job or people who are just looking to make extra income from home. So what is the problem, right? They have no time freedom, right? They might be working part-time jobs. They're not making enough money. They can't decide when they can get off because they got to keep going to work, because if you're not making enough money already, you can't take off. Because you're not going to make, that's going to be less money that you're going to make because you're not even at work to make money, right? You get what I'm saying? So that was my niche. So let's just take the weight loss industry, right? So you're looking for people, if you're in the weight loss industry, you're looking for people, your niche will be people who are looking to lose weight. And their problem is, guess what? They want to get healthier. They want to lose weight. They want to get leaner. They want to be able to get off a pill if they're on diabetes, or they're diabetic, or maybe they have high blood pressure, whatever the case may be. That's a problem, right? That's a problem. So you found a niche, it's step 1. And 2, then you identify a problem, right? You find a problem in that niche that you can solve. That's really what you want to do, right? Niche. Find a problem that you can solve. And here's the kicker, right? Step 3, provide a solution that solves that niche problem. That's it. Guys, that's it. Find a solution, right, that solves that niche problem. That's really the 3 simple steps that you need to really be doing if you're looking to make money from home online, really, right? Find a niche, right? Find a niche. That's step number 1. Find a niche, right? find out what their problem is, right? Find a problem inside of that particular niche. And number three, right? Find a solution for that problem, right? And that'll be your products or services. That'll be whatever you're selling. If it's weight loss, maybe you're selling a pill, maybe you're selling a juice, maybe you're selling a workout tape. I don't know what it is, but guess what? Those are the three simple things that you can do today to start making money online. So look, like I said, I wasn't going to hold you short. I mean, long. This would be a real short video. Just want to give you some value, just kind of break it down a little bit. But here's the thing. In my next video, I'm going to really break it down. I'm going to kind of diagram it out for you so you can see exactly what you can do starting as soon as you watch that video to start making money like $100 to $200, $300, $400 a day once you identify your niche, right? Find that problem and then present a solution to that problem. So look, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, right? Leave a comment. I'm going to answer everybody comment if I can, but leave a comment, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.